Hey guys, so today we are here in Los Angeles, California. We're meeting with Cori Broadus and Wayne Polk. They're going to talk to us about all things CHOC Factory, their real estate ventures, as well as Cori's new music. Come with me as we talk to them. Welcome, Cori and Wayne.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys too. All right, tell me about the lip line that's coming out, the makeup line that you have created on your own, and now you're like pushing it out to everybody to try.
Well, thank you for having us here. So CHOC Factory is inspired by me. Basically, I was just in a very deep, dark space, and I tried to commit suicide, but I was unsuccessful, as you can see. I'm still here. Right, thank God. And so I just wanted something to get me out of that funk.
Okay.
I looked up hobby making, and lip gloss making was the one that stood out. I love just lip gloss. I love Aquaphor, Vaseline.
Yeah.
I'm not really a makeup girly, so I wanted to do something that was authentic to me.
Tell me like the trial and error of the process.
So Wayne, he was our chemist.
Okay.
It was literally just me and Wayne. Like when I tell you me and Wayne, like me and Wayne. And he would literally mix the lip gloss, add the coconut oil, do this, do that. I would wash the tubes, fill the lip gloss up. We would Cricut. It was like
you even had the Cricut.
We had the Cricut.
We had to learn how to Cricut. It was a
now that's one thing I couldn't figure out.
Learn how to build websites.
Like you said, the strength. He had that strength in that area, and I just had the strength with filling and making it look nice.
How many colors are you coming out with? Is it just like your glosses? But I know glosses are, you know, different colors. You got glitters, you got, you know, whatever. And are you gonna have like bold lipsticks, or is it just plain glosses?
I'm such a simple girly. Like I said, everything I do, I wanted to be true to myself. So I'm not really a bold girl. So our glosses are just that. Like we have different colors like browns, neutral colors, but it's like you could wear it no matter what the occasion is. If you want to go on a date night, you could wear it. If you want to just chill in your house on the couch, you could wear it. And it still gives that effect.
Okay.
So we're coming out with 6 lip glosses, 6 lip liners, and a mask and a scrub, just for the first drop.
So what made you guys decide to get into house flipping? I mean, of course, everybody is talking about generational wealth. Everybody is talking about growing portfolios, growing, you know, their bank accounts, pretty much. So, and how hands-on are you guys with it?
So my brother Cordell, he's like really my motivation. He helps the both of us. He's so like business minded. He's a hustler. So we were at Disneyland one day, and he was like, "You know how much Walt Disney paid for this parking lot?" I'm like, "No, $50,000. Look how big
and look at how many cars.
You know what I mean? He was like, he was the first person to buy a parking lot and actually charge
like
for it.
$40 to park there.
You know what I mean, or more. And so he was saying, like, instead of letting our mom hold the money, it's only gonna sit there. You know what I mean? You have to invest and, if anything, make it grow. Because if it's sitting with our mom, you're gonna either pull from it and it's gonna be less, or it's gonna stay the same.
Yeah, you do have a song out, don't you?
I have an EP out.
Okay, okay.
Journals to Johnny. It was a 3-man team. It was me, Wayne, and my producer, Sam.
Okay.
And I love it. We were just in the studio yesterday, and we were like, we love it. Like, because I used to be in the studio with like 15 writers, 15 producers, like just hectic. And I'm so like, I like to be by myself and to myself, especially when I'm creating and I'm in that headspace. I feel like you create magic when it's like that, not 30 people in the room and do it like this and do it like that. No, I'm gonna do it like this. Even us, like, they let me be me. And that's what I told my dad. He was like, "Cori, be your album." I said, because I was in the driver's seat. I was driving.
I heard you saying that in an interview.
And he said, "Well, who put you on driver's ed?" I'm like, "You, obviously," but I was driving. And it was certain things that Wayne and Sam wanted me to say. I'm like, no, I don't want to say that. This is what I want to say. And then they make it make sense. But I was in control the whole time, and I loved it.
We had a chance to talk to Cori and Wayne about their new gloss line, CHOC Factory, coming out soon. It is all about the average girl, the average woman who just wants to feel beautiful. We also had a chance to talk to them about their house flipping venture. They've already flipped 2 houses in just 1 year. And we also talked about Cori's new music that's out. So today, thank you for joining us. This is American Dream TV.